Jai Shree Krishna. Welcome you all to my channel. Today we will discuss about how to transform the mode of your installed Linux from minimal installation to server with GUI. Log into root account. Check internet connectivity by pinging Google. Internet connectivity is OK. Type this command to check EUM or DNF repo list. OK, everything is working fine. Now, type following command to install server with GUI, graphical user interface. OK, complete. Type this command to check default target, multi-user target. Now, if you type this command, you can get GUI mode but temporary basis. OK, restart the system. Now type this following command to set default target as graphical. OK, done. Restart the system. Now we have successfully logged in the graphical user interface mode. Everything is working fine. Don't forget to update your system. Complete.